Welcome back, everyone. Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Messing around in the garage a little bit. I am squaring the K-member up. So I've got marks there and a mark there underneath that plumb bob going down off of the control arm bolts, marking two spots, and then I went to the back and found the same two spots, hung a plumb bob and marked the marks. There's one over there. So after you get everything all marked, same spots, both sides, front and back, you measure from the back mark on the right to the front mark on the right. Should be the same measurement as the back mark on the left and the front mark on the left. And I'm spot on. And then you do a diagonal measurement from obviously right rear, left front, left rear, right front. And I was out, I think you can be within 1/8 of an inch spec wise, but I was out 3/16 of an inch, so I was longer on this side, so I loosened up the K-member bolts over here and was able to move it forward a little over 1/16 of an inch. So I'm within 1/16 of an inch on my square, and my front to back within 1/16. So I'm going to call it good. I've got to take a 1/8 inch drill bit, and sorry my lighting sucks, but drill up underneath this flange here into the unibody. So I think I'll do two, maybe one on each side. So if you ever take it apart for whatever reason, you line up those holes and you should be good to go yet. So it didn't take long. I was really surprised with this left front being damaged at one point. I didn't know what I was gonna run into. So got me my Maximum Motorsports caster camber plates put on. So that's a good thing. Got those in the mail Friday, Saturday? I don't know, Friday. I got a buddy of mine who's going to sandblast my spindles so I can paint them. Just got done painting the crossbar here and the front bumper bar, lack of better words. I'm not going to paint the radiator support bar because I got to get a radiator put in it. So making progress slowly. I'm waiting on a steering rack to come in, and then maybe I can excuse me, mount the brake pedal back up. And I think I'm going to use the old steering wheel and column. It's not very long, but we'll see. I might make something, you never know. I have to figure out the wiring for the power windows, and then I got to thinking these got electric door locks, and there's no key like on my truck. So yeah, I've got the key for the car, but I've ixnayed all the wiring, and so maybe we'll just cut these off and not worry about locking it. I don't know. Cross that bridge, I think, when we get to it. But yeah, like I say, making a little progress. So hope everybody had a good weekend, and have a good week. It's going to be hot here. I imagine it's going to be hot everywhere, hotter than the hubs of hell. So stay hydrated, stay cool. Peace out.